Hello, this is a quick video I wanted to make. This is a sun visor from a 1997 Land Cruiser, and it was floppy. This is a pretty common problem, and I got a replacement, a used replacement that I put in, but I just wanted to kind of see what happened with the old one. So I took it apart, and this piece was slid in here. This is the mount. And this clip fit over it here that provides tension on this area. And if we look at that, it just kind of deteriorated here. So you can see there's plastic all around it, but you can see the metal core, how it kind of wore away. So that was causing it to flop down, to not stay up in position. But I just wanted to make a quick video because I know a lot of people have this problem, and I imagine many are curious as to what causes it and if it can be repaired. And I mean, I think it's pretty obvious that this is not repairable. I mean, I had to cut the whole thing apart to get it out. But if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.